Hello everyone, you may not recognize me. Let me help you. Keenan here. Welcome to Coloring with Keenan. It's been a while. I'm glad we're here together to do some creative things. You may have noticed that I was wearing a mask. And let me tell you, in Nicole's kids box, which I get to make videos with Nicole and Sarah and Jesse, and it's a lot of fun. She's doing a project where we take one of these and turn it into, let me see here, no, I'm gonna say this one, into this. How fun. So today, what we're gonna do is similar. She did this with watercolor, but I wanna show you some things that we have on the website that we can use instead. You're familiar with our watercolors. This is my special display of watercolors. And then we also have boxes of these acrylic paints. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go crazy. I have no plan. I might not even decorate all 4 of these, but I do know I'm gonna wear a blank one until I paint one for myself. And I don't know what to paint it, so here we go. Let's choose, this is crimson. Ooh, and what's neat is, they have safety plastic, so make sure you have a helper that's old enough to open paint. And then I'm gonna choose, actually, let's do red, crimson, excuse me, and marigold. Fun fact, the marigold plant, I don't know if you know this, the marigold plant keeps little critters, bugs and stuff, away from your vegetables. So if you plant a garden this year, which this is a great time to prepare for garden planting, because why not plant a garden? Plant some marigolds. They don't smell super great for us, but it's like a nostalgic smell memory for me, so, you know. Anyway, back to painting and creating. These each have these little cap things that you gotta take off. So, again, extra safe. Oh, look at that pretty crimson. Crimson, I thought crimson was more red. I don't know. I've seen a lot of colors in my day. How many colors have you seen? Okay, let's do this. I'm starting with these colors first because, ooh, this is pretty. I'm starting with these colors first because I'm a huge fan of superheroes. And one of my favorite superheroes is The Flash. All-time favorite. And so we're gonna do this mask for The Flash colors. And here's the cool thing. I've never used these paints before. So you, me, and the paint are doing this together for the first time. So let's see what this looks like. If you want, and I'm gonna go super fast in a few seconds, but if you want, you can kind of look at your mask and design what you want. You have a little rim on the outside of this one specifically, and they're all a little different. This one's pointy, this one's rounded, this one's, we're gonna call this the royalty mask. I'm raising my eyebrows in case you can't tell. But you have a rim on the outside of this one, and so this one could be all red on the middle and yellow on the outside in honor of the Flash. That's not his actual design, but colors are, you know, you're up to you. Or you can say, I'm gonna take a pencil and I'm gonna draw specific lines that I'm gonna color in between different colors. So like red, yellow, red, yellow. You know what's nice about being the cameraman? I can adjust the camera to be closer for you to see. Hold please. That's it. That's the one. And then we just kind of, I'm gonna continue this. And this is like a guideline for me because sometimes I forget what I'm gonna do in the middle of my project. And so I need to remind myself. Okay, here we go. If you're nervous, so am I. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Because we can't be afraid. We can be nervous, but we can't be afraid. Now here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do all my reds first, and then I'm gonna do all my yellows so I don't have to rinse my brush a bunch. Ooh, and it looks like I can put a bunch of layers on here. Like when it dries, I can make it more. Oh yeah, this makes it even like a closer to a red. All right, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna say, here's your challenge. go for it. And I'm just gonna paint this in super speed because the Flash. Oh, if you don't know who the Flash is, he has super speed. It's a whole thing. He's great. And he loves people, so I love the Flash. Okay, here we go. Super speed activated in 3, 2, 1, go! Boom, okay. I'm cutting back in from super speed mode because I wanted to update you. I'm done with my red. Oh, I missed a spot. I'm almost done with my red. And then I'm gonna move into my yellow. Back to super speed in 3. Don't forget to wash your brush, take care of it. 2, 1, go. Check it out. I've finished my mask. Now I'm gonna dry it so that I can actually wear it. And then I'm gonna add some embellishments because who doesn't love embellishments? So I've got my heated craft tool here, AKA hairbrush, mainly called a heated craft tool because that's what it's called. It says heated craft tool. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it on. Demask. Dawn mask. It's a little warm. It might hurt my face. Yes, it's very hot. Owie, owie, owie. Pro tip, let your mask cool off. Now, a big cool thing that we can do next is we can paint another one, and this one will be really cool. But the other item that we have that we can use to embellish are Stickles. Look at these color options, and there are more color options. These are just 4. I can't even tell you how excited I am about Stickles. So here's what I'm gonna do. Because I have red on my mask, I'm gonna put red Stickles on my mask. Everywhere there's a ridge, and it's easy. You just get it down there, and then you draw with it. I say easy, but I've messed this up many times. And then look at that. Everywhere there's a ridge, that means around the eye that's red too. Oh man, this is so cool. You cannot beat Stickles. Ooh, if your favorite number is 7, you could put 7 on there. Let's do this. Let's do a little one right here. Ooh. Here too. Ready? Ooh. Oh, I got crazy. See, you can mess it up. But you know what's great? No one will know. Boom! Check that Stickles out! It's like a cool little embellishment. Oh my goodness, you can do this. I did this. We can do this together all the time. I'm so excited to see what you make. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to get yourself some Stickles. And all the acrylic paints, find them because it's gonna make your masks look awesome. Share what you have. I wanna see it. Let's make art. Facebook, Instagram. I'll see you later. Bye.